So hey YouTube, hope you all had a good holiday. I've been doing a little bit of filming. I just wanted to pop on briefly just to check in. And been using the GoPro, which is kind of old. It's a 3 Plus. It's a Hero 3 Plus. And if you know anything about GoPros, they're up to 10, I believe now. So I'm a few generations behind. And it's a little old. It's been through quite a bit. And the suction cup mount actually is a little tired, shall we say. And I always fasten it with a couple of zip ties as backup just in case something happens. Something like this. So yeah, a few little minor oopses, but I just figured I'd share that. Like I said, hope you all had good holidays. Working pretty well here. We had a little bit of snow and ice in Tennessee last night. In Dallas right now, picking up a load, and soon be heading to Tampa, Florida, which I'm sure will be a little bit warmer down there. Hope you're all being safe, staying smart. And like I said, still working on some kind of cool videos using the GoPro. You got to do a little filming here and there and then splice it all together, make it look good. I don't know if I'll make it look good, but anyhow, y'all stay safe, stay smart, and we'll see you next time.